Oppo, Vivo, Realme. I don't know the exact strategy of Oppo's company in Indian market. They're just gonna keep on launching brands and sub-brands. And here I got the Oppo's Realme one. At first glance you might think it is Redmi, but it's Realme. Hi there, you're watching Swastik videos, and in this episode let us unbox and review the Realme smartphone. I have this Indian retail unit. The price mentioned in the box is 10,999 Indian rupees, but currently the 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage variant is selling for 9,000 Indian rupees, which is equivalent to $130 US. And 6GB RAM plus 128GB internal storage is selling for 14,000 Indian rupees. Now let us unbox. The red color box looks impressive, and we get this variant in 6-inch Full HD screen. This is powered with 3400 mAh battery out of the box. The processor is very powerful. This is a seal. It is powered by P60 processor, which is very powerful for gaming and high intensive uses. Now opening up the box, we get this protective case out of the box, some user guides, warranty manuals and documentation. This is a TPU jelly material, nothing else. We also get this SIM ejector tool, keeping it aside for the time being. And here we have the phone itself. This is in black diamond color. Let us take it off. Here is the 6-inch screen, as you can see, and this is the black diamond looking back panel. It says assembled in India, which is a true fact, as other brands like Xiaomi states that their phone as if they are made in India, but phones are at max assembled in India. The back panel has diamond-like finish. It reflects light differently when you change the angles you're holding. Nothing else. And we get this massive charger. It says Oppo branding at the back with 5 volts 2 ampere rating. Here is the USB 2.0 charging cable. Now here is the phone. Let me apply this protective case and show you how this device actually looks after applying this protective case, which comes bundled out of the box. And this is how it looks. Talking about the SIM tray, it supports 2 SIM cards along with dedicated micro SD card slot for memory expansion, which is a nice thing. It is a triple slot and not the hybrid one. Now talking about the physical overview, top is completely clean. Over the right you have volume buttons. On the bottom we have got USB port, speakers, microphone and 3.5mm jack. At the back we have got 13 megapixel back camera with single tone LED flash, and on the front we have 8 megapixel front AI camera. Safeguard is pre-applied out of the box on the screen itself. Let me power up this device. It says powered by Android. And after setting up this device, we have got this. The user interface is powered by color operating system of the Oppo. This is the top bar. And let us go to the settings and check about the phone. Here is the about the phone section, And as you can see, Android version is 8.1, which is Oreo that comes out of the box. That is a good thing. Now talking about the internal storage, out of 32 GB internal memory, we get 20 GB free space. This device is powered by very strong octa-core 2 GHz Helio P60 processor based on 12 nanometer technology, first of its kind. It is powered by a 3400 mAh battery. Let me do some experiments with this 13 megapixel back camera. Here is the camera. So let me take this sample. Here is an option for 1x and 2x zoom, which is quite handy feature. It is video, time lapse is also there, photo, and many other more features are also there. OPPO brand is quite focused on camera sections. Let me take a quick snap. This is a 2x zoom. Let me capture. Let me take one more shot with 1x zoom. Let me take one more shot with flash. Here is the flash. Yeah. We can also adjust the exposure. These are some of the samples. Well, the camera samples with 1x and 2x zoom looks quite impressive in initial impressions. As you can see, details are very much visible. These are some of the camera samples. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Swastik signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.